Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Welcome to Sara Pakistan, and our today's topic is factorization, and we will solve question number 6 today, exercise 1a. The question says the area of the trapezium is 35.75 centimeter. Find the value of x. The figure is on right side, and the formula we use for today's question is area of trapezium equal to half sum of the parallel sides into height. So applying the values, you will get 35.75 equal to half and sum of parallel sides x minus 1 plus x plus 3 times height is x. So on simplification, you will get 2 times 35.75 is equal to x times 2x plus 2. Now 71.5 equal to 2x square plus 2x. Remove this decimal and you are left with 715 equal to 10 times 2x square plus 2x, and 715 is equal to 20x square plus 20x. Now you can divide by 5 throughout and you are left with 143 equals 4x square plus 4x. 4x square plus 4x minus 143 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 143. X will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Putting the values, you will get minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 times 4 and c is minus 143 whole over 2 times 4. X equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 minus minus plus 16 times 143. Now on simplification you will get minus 4 plus minus 16 plus 2288 over 8 minus 4 plus minus Now x will be equal to minus 4 plus minus 48 over 8, and now you can divide it in two parts. Either x is equal to minus 4 plus 48 over 8, and x equal to minus 4 minus 48 over 8. X is equal to 44 over 8 and x is equal to 5.5. On the right side we will ignore this part because it has a negative value. So here the value of x is 5.5 centimeter. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.